My next question was, can you go into detail on activation? What truly is activation?
And again, that is with our products, small amounts going into our system and actually flipping genes. It's called nutrigenomics. It's called the actual product going into the body, being absorbed and utilized in a fashion that is now going to turn back on our good genes. It's going to now turn back on those pathways that maybe have been diminishing as we get older or as we've experienced illnesses. And those pathways are going to start opening up again. When those pathways start opening up again, many types of biochemistry are going on in that system. All right. So we're now seeing an activation, the body actually physically producing things, not you supplementing and sticking it into the body. We're actually turning on the body's ability to start making those things again.